Hi friends, let me show you these Paracord Survival Bracelets that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you received 3 of them, orange, green, and black. Okay, let me show you. You have here like a rope, kind of a sharp edge plastic. You could cut things with it. You get a compass with them. As you can see, works perfectly. Okay. Of course, you bring it with you. Okay. And there are other functions that you can do with it. You get this whistle, so you can call your friends, or of course these are aimed for going outdoors, like for a trekking trip, or if you are hunting, or if you're fishing, or in the beach, whatever. Okay. And finally, if you are in an emergency, this bracelet, if you take this out here, all the rope will, well, it's a one rope, a long rope that you can use for any emergency necessity that you have. So you have these 5 functions in every bracelet: the knife, the fire starting possibility, the compass, the whistle, and the actual rope. So it is really, really easy to bring it with you in any trip, and it can help you in a lot of emergencies. So I really recommend it if you like to go outside, if you like to go on the wild for different activities. You must bring one of these to feel safer. Thank you.